Hey guys, what's up? So yeah, today we're gonna be playing.
I want to play another game.
My brother's playing another game, so yeah, I played it since like a long time now. Since the Valentine's update just came out a few days ago, I've been. Wait.
Water on the ground.
Okay, guys, let's claim the. Wait, we already have. We're so close. Last time I checked it, I was at 500. 500. So let's claim it. 3, 2, 1, claim. Okay, 2008. I never noticed that because I've been fishing a few days ago. Like, okay, 2 days ago. I'm not lying. 2 days ago, it was on 1,508. 1,508. So the fact it just came up really quickly is. I'm actually shocked how much I've been playing this game. I never thought I'd play this game that much. Okay, why is he coming on? We're not gonna ask questions. I'm gonna ask him where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go? I'm gonna ask him just so he wants to go somewhere.
Is that your friend?
So my brother's asking if it's my friend. So, he's not my friend, Jay. I'm asking him here. He's saying, I'm actually confused where this guy wants to go. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna drop him off at the rock and then go away. Here you go, G. Get off.
You just gave him a driller.
Yeah, I gave him a free ride because he doesn't want to waste his money on the boat and the jet ski's the best. To be honest, when I start, so the first ever game I got obsessed with was, I'm not lying, was actually horse life. I played a lot. I got the full everything, and then I got bored of it. And I saw my friend playing fish. I never thought anything of it. Sometimes I joined it, I got confused why it was wheeling the other way when I was pressing the right mouse click button, and then I just realized after a few days I saw videos and I was like, oh, alright. Yeah. Steady and fighting. I don't have the carbon rod because I've never used it. I started off with the flimsy and then went to the training because the bar was big. I don't know why I did that. Somebody's training an orca for the last one. Excuses? Great, another useless fish from my collection. Bro, why are you being so sassy? He's so sassy, really. After this, you have to give me something. Or last time he gave me a Grand Reef Guardian. Wait, a bit. Are you really serious? Yeah, my brother has. I'm gonna hop up to rivals and I'm gonna actually farm rivals. Because it's a fun game and I'm better than my brother at it. And every at fish. My brother's playing a random game which I don't know anything about on his.
Yeah, I watched this on Wania and
I can't hear what he said. So
I said Wania and
it's not going there. So, anyways,
I watched this one on Sunday. You told me.
I'm gonna do something and then I'm gonna go back. I'm obsessed with this song, man. Probably because it's from
The Rookie.
Okay, I just headshotted that guy.
Yeah.
If I was with a sniper, that would be epic. I'm gonna... How can I customize my crosshair? Okay, we need to customize this thing. Spacing. There you go. Color, I'm gonna make it red. I'm gonna win for you.
Why are these sunflowers blocking me and breaking my car?
Bro, I need red. I need to be full red because that's the best thing.
Why? Because you like blood.
No, probably because it's easier to see it. And I've done transparency. There we go. This is just perfect. Hey, I love it. It looks just like my old account's one. Oh, I hit the target instead of the dummy. Let's go ahead to dummy. That would be perfect.
You did 80, not a headshot.
There we go. What happens if it's on like max? Let me go into the shooting range with this. And let me just equip assault rifle, the basic loadout, to check how good I am. My favorite loadout so far. With it to check if I'm OP with it. Oh, flip. Why do I feel like I'm in Fortnite, man? That's so hard. It's so hard to aim with this, man. But the movement is OP. Why do I feel like I'm in Fortnite? Probably because it's so. Yeah, no, we're gonna go back to 1. Let's check how it's like because before I set it to a different number. Uzi, where's the Uzi size? Mana. Trust me guys, this loadout is OP.
Yeah, last time we watched the video. Yes, it is. And everyone said that it's super OP.
whatever.
What happened to your computer?
Let's
Did
go.
you put the popcorn in the computer?
What am I doing?
Why did I say that? Because you don't even have popcorn.
I'm gonna go in running one and test this
Maybe you
crazy
buy
screen out.
popcorn. Where's the popcorn?
I don't have popcorn. Okay, I'm
Why
gonna
you
restart.
put popcorn in that
I'm
computer?
gonna restart the Hush. Arena, please go arena. Oh no, man. Controller player. These dudes have crazy aim on. Hey, at least I can focus on the screen. That's okay. That's only 2 rounds.